Hello kids, it's Shazi. Today, we learn the alphabet letter A to Z. Let's trace and paint them together. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife.
R.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the farmer takes the wife.
S.
The wife takes the child, the wife
T.
takes the child. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the wife takes the child. The child
U.
takes the nurse, the child takes the nurse. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the child
V.
takes the nurse. The nurse
W.
cow, the nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the nurse takes
X.
the cow. The cow takes the dog, the cow takes the dog. Hi-ho
Y.
the dairy-o, the cow takes the dog.
C.
Dog takes the cat,
Let's learn some color names. Red color,
hi-ho the dairy-o,
orange color,
dog takes
yellow
the cat.
color,
The cat
blue
takes
color,
the mouse,
green
the
color,
cat takes the
pink
mouse.
color, purple color,
Dairy-o,
brown
the cat
color.
takes the mouse. The mouse
A for
takes the
apple.
cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands
B for
alone.
ball.
Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.
C for cat. D for doll. E for egg.
Falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down.
F for frog.
My fair lady, build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones. Build it up
G
with
for
sticks
glass.
and stones, my fair lady.
H for hat. I for igloo.
Sticks and
J
stones
for jam.
all fall down, all fall down, all fall down. Sticks and stones will
K
all
for
fall
kite.
down, my fair lady. Build it up with
L for
wood and
lamb.
clay, wood and clay, wood and clay. Build it up with wood and clay, my
M for man.
fair lady.
N for net.
Wood and clay will wash away.
O for onion.
Wash away. Wood and clay will wash away. My fair lady.
P for pen.
Build it up with iron and steel. Iron and steel. Iron and steel. Build it up with iron and steel.
Q for queen.
Fair lady.
R for ring. S for star.
Bend and bow. Bend and bow. Bend and bow.
T for train.
Steel will bend and bow. My fair lady.
U for umbrella.
Bridges falling down. Falling down. Falling down.
V for van.
Bridges falling down. My fair lady.
W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht.
The itsy bitsy spider went up.
C for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Please like and subscribe to my channel.